Hey, thank you for watching. In this video, I will be showing you our room at Henann Regency Resort and Spa. Yes, this is where we stayed in Boracay, and we have the package that they're going to pick you up and take you to the airport, and also we have the breakfast buffet every day. So this is their welcome center, and they will give you a welcome drink here, and then they will take you to the boat. And after a little boat ride, they'll take you to another car ride to take you to the resort. This area here is our main access to get to the beach. Our room is just right there in the corner on the second floor, and when you get out of your room, this is the view. So beautiful. A lot of people like to take pictures in there. You see that guy there with the banig or the mat? He's there ready to help you anytime. He is one of the Henann staff. The Henann staff are wonderful. They're the best. They are right there to assist you in everything you need. So let's start the room tour so we can see, or so I can share with you guys what it looks like, because I really love our room. So enjoy! When you open the door, you'll see on the left, that's the bathroom door, but we will check that out later. This mirror here is for your OOTD if you're into that, or just to check yourself before you head out the door. And over here, we already put our stuff. So yeah, you get flip-flops or slippers. You get a robe, a really nice robe, an umbrella if you don't want to be with the sun, and this safe. I've used it a lot. It looks really safe and strong. And yeah, here's your OOTD. Excuse my appearance there. And let's go towards the bed. And over here is where you can find your coffee, tea, glass, and whatever you need to wake up in the morning. They have this one, water heater, electric water heater, because the coffee is instant, as you can see. And that's the refrigerator, and they give you 2 daily water bottle, but when you're thirsty, just if you see a housekeeping, just ask for water and they will give you water. That's how nice they are. And that's that. And over here, ladies, another mirror to put your makeup on. Huh? Ladies can't get enough mirrors. So that, and really nice air conditioning. Nice because it really keeps the room cool. And then you get a dinette. And over there or here, there's another dinette. That's the balcony area with a beautiful view. That right there is one of the restaurants where you can order food and you can bring it to the pool while you're swimming right over here. This resort is really big, so yeah, there's more to that in the back which I didn't capture. So that there's a pool on the right, and then when you go to your left side, there is the beach view that I asked and I got it. I really wanted to see a beach while I sit in my balcony, and I got it. They're so nice. I can't stretch it enough. The staff are just so helpful. So in a way, now that's done, let's go to the bathroom. Ta-da! It's a huge bathroom. I would say it can fit 4 people. This is good for family. So let's look around. everything you need is here. They even have a dental kit, a shaving kit, but yeah, it's complete. And the shampoo, conditioner, like, oh my god, I love when you use their lotion. It really makes your skin so silky and soft, so as your hair. So yes, I love that, but I didn't take anything home. Which I should have, huh? Because they're just really, really nice. I love them. This is a surprise. I know I'll be getting water for free, but when they call me in our room if they can deliver their welcome fruits, hey, who's going to refuse? And oh my god, they're so sweet. And look at that fruit. That's a lot. That's for 2 people. This is where we get our breakfast buffet every morning. It's waterfront. Beautiful. And this is their pool bar. This is in the back of the resort, away from the beach. This is so nice. You can just swim and ask for a drink and eat pizza. So yes, this is better, the daytime video. That is really nice. And did I mention their water is so warm? I don't know if it's heated, but it's warm. Like, you don't wanna get out. I love it. That's the kids pool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it helpful. I will put some information on the description box below. And I really enjoy staying at Henann Regency Resort and Spa, so I hope you guys can check it out if you'd wanna stay there. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.